Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're gonna be talking about MagicCraft. MagicCraft, the crypto and the game. The When it IPO'd, it started off at almost over a penny, and ever since then, it has drifted lower and lower, and now it's sitting around at 0.006, when as low as 0.05 or 48. Personally, I would want to buy some MagicCraft if the scenario it goes on one of the major crypto exchanges like Binance or Crypto.com or something else. But so my personal opinion on this is, if the game is a huge success, this could be a huge return on investment, like huge. Because right now it's only ranked 3,728 on the ranking boards, and if this ever gets to like even like top 100, that would be like a probably 10 20x return on investment maybe. And if this thing goes to like top 10, that's like easily 100x return on investment. So yeah, I mean, if this thing goes to $1, that's 100 return on investment. So we'll see what happens. But right now, the only way to get it is, according to CoinMarketCap, is PancakeSwap and Bixberry, and you need Binance Coin in order to get MagicCraft. So I'm hoping that one day Binance itself just lists MagicCraft on the exchange. Might be a while, but that's what I'm hoping. Here's the MagicCraft website. Doesn't really currently have a market cap, but the rank is 3,531. Actually, it's gone down a little bit since the IPO, and looks interesting. Definitely interested in trying it out, the game out, when it finally launches. If the game is a success, I think that the crypto is going to blow up. So according to my research, not very much research, this thing is like a MMO PvP earn to play crypto game. We scroll further down, this is like their roadmap. So adoption to PC raid system in Q2 of 2023. So yeah, this is gonna be a while before it finally comes. NFT with hero preview maps realms list on the CEX. Game development update, established key partner, private game alpha launch, economy activation, gameplay trailer. So yeah, private beta launch in Q3 of 2022, public beta launch of Q4 of 2022, and full game launch in Q1 of 2023, and adoption to PC raid system Q2 of 2023. Looks interesting. Definitely interested in trying it out. Like I said, if this thing goes on Binance, I'll definitely be picking up some coins. There is hope though. I mean, they are partnered up with Binance Smart Chain, so maybe one day Binance will list it on their platform, and that would be awesome, because then I'll definitely pick up some. I'm not going to go out of my way to look for another way of buying it, even though, yeah, I would rather just buy it on Binance, have it stored on Binance, or maybe Crypto.com if they decide to list it on their platform first. That would be pretty awesome. But my opinion is, if cryptos was to get mainstream adoption, it would definitely need to go into gaming. Gamers will make play to earn. Crypto would be a good way of getting mass adoption of cryptocurrencies. So That's my 2 cents on the whole subject. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. If you don't want to, that's okay. I don't care. And I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.